me, yeah. You might be angry now, of course you are. I'm scared too, didn't mean to take it out on you. I know I always do. You're the strongest person in the room. Turn back time, help me to rewind, and we can find ourselves again. It's not too late either way. I lose you in these silent days. It wasn't right, but it was right.